you the portfolio that I got from SU website. So for this portfolio belong to Miss Sweaty Suman. I hope that this video will give you the clue how to create your own portfolio in the future. So you will see her selected work from 2018 to 2021. She is a structural design from New Delhi, India. So let's go to the next page. Okay. Normally, before we introduce our work or project, we should introduce ourselves first. So here it looks like CV, and we will see her photo here, and introduction, interest, language, education, academic work, software skill. She knows a lot of software, competition and workshop. Okay, let's move to the next. Normally for portfolio it look like a private magazine. I mean that this work or book belong to ourselves, our work. So it's easy for the viewer that we should have the content before everything. So you can see here her content here. First, project ORT International School. Second, Youth Cultural Center. Third, the Micro 28 Housing. 4. Cardboard furniture. 5. Optical fiber lamp. 6. Measure drawing. 7. Working drawing. 8. Internet for all. I think maybe it belongs to her digital graphic design for the last one. Okay, so move to the next. We will see her first page or first project, ORT International School. Okay, let's go together. Wow, I think it's great. ORT International School. So it's perspective rendering. Maybe in Lumion. I think it was made with Lumion software. Okay, move to the next. Okay, so you can see here her concept development here. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth step. So here also interesting point. You can see here the section plan in the perspective as graphic review. Okay, and here also the perspective, but she also shows some detail. Wind tower, shading device. Okay, for energy efficient lighting, PV panels, roof insulation. Okay, I think it's a good idea. Let's move to the next page for floor plan. Okay, we can see the legend here about her project, and for this point, she made with the AutoCAD and Adobe Photoshop for a structure. Okay, and then for the next detail. Okay, it's a great idea. She detail a lot of things about how she designed the first start view for her building. Okay, move to the next. Okay, safety and security, pandemic measure. Move to the next. Layout, elevation, innovation, market potential. Okay. Move to the next. Comfort, And here also interesting point about the water management. Okay, and then move to the next project, your cultural center. Site analysis. Okay, zoning, ground floor, first floor, second floor. You can see her idea here is good. And form development. Okay, and here ground floor plan. For ground floor plan, here you can make it with Adobe Photoshop, but for this style it's also interesting. You can see she used only 3 colors: dark red, gray, and white. Okay, so move to the next step, elevation and section plan. Okay, we move to the third, the micro 28 housing. Also brief and family 60 to 65 grandparents. Boy, teenager of age 16 second family also similar in size. 8 plots are merged into one to create 28 plus residential unit. It's great that she put the information about the house owner, and we can study the main purpose for this family. Okay. And for cardboard furniture, above you can see it's the specification design for people. Okay, and move to the next project, fiber optic lamp. And then visual drawing, final render section, showing the most. Okay, and then working drawing. Okay, and then for this part, I think it belong to graphic design skill. Maybe she made it in Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop skill. Okay, for the last thank you, I think after I share this portfolio design idea, so you guys will get the idea how to organize your own portfolio step by step. Okay, thank you for your time and see you next